Israel's laser weapon that could change warfare forever. Now, let's talk about a breakthrough that has reshaped the future of warfare, especially after the intense conflict between Israel and Iran in June 2025. But first, a question: what was Israel's biggest vulnerability in its Iron Dome system? For years, the answer was simple: cost and saturation. Each interceptor missile from Iron Dome cost roughly $50,000, and when Israel faced waves of missiles, rockets, and drones from multiple directions during the recent Iran offensive, the Iron Dome struggled. It was forced to make one-for-one trades, an expensive gamble when faced with hundreds of simultaneous threats. But that was before. Now, everything has changed. Fire introducing Iron Beam, Israel's laser defense revolution. This is not a prototype. It's not theoretical. Iron Beam is live, active, tested in real combat. And according to Israeli officials, it's the reason the recent Iran missile campaign didn't break Israel's defenses. After years of development, and in response to the limitations exposed during the June escalation, Israel has rolled out Iron Beam as a new cornerstone of its layered air defense strategy. Bullseye: what makes Iron Beam a game changer? Unlike Iron Dome's missiles, Iron Beam fires high-energy laser bursts to destroy incoming projectiles in flight. No warhead. No smoke trails. Just pure light, traveling at the speed of soundless destruction. Let's break down the core features. Range: 7 to 10 km, power: 100 kilowatts of focused energy, precision: accurate to the size of a coin, cost per shot $2,000 shots per minute, virtually unlimited, as long as power is available. Brain: how it works in combat. During the June conflict with Iran, Iron Beam proved it could neutralize multiple threats at once, not just individually. Instead of launching one expensive missile to intercept one incoming rocket, Iron Beam projected a sweeping defense net, intercepting clusters of drones and missiles mid-air, within seconds of detection. It aims for critical weak points, missile fins or warheads, disabling their flight or detonation, drone wings, cameras, or rotors, rendering them useless or crashing them outright. Guidance systems, effectively blinding kamikaze weapons while crewed rockets might still explode on impact if not fully disabled. Iron Beam's role isn't to replace Iron Dome, it's to amplify it. Think of it as the last wall, an invisible, laser-powered fence that catches what everything else misses. Shield: after the ceasefire, a new defense doctrine. Following the June war, Israel's Prime Minister visited Washington to finalize a historic defense cooperation deal with the United States, one that formally confirms Iron Beam's integration into a joint strategic framework. The message is clear: Israel will never be outgunned again. From here on, every future attack will have to contend with a light-speed barrier, one that can intercept dozens of targets without flinching or running dry. And the world is watching. Light bulb: a new era, laser warfare begins. Iron Beam is more than a weapon. It's a signal, a declaration that the age of laser-based defense is no longer science fiction. No reloads. No high-cost munitions. No delays. Just instantaneous, scalable protection. For Israel, it's a defense revolution born from necessity. For the rest of the world, it's a glimpse at the future of warfare, and a warning: the battlefield has changed forever.